how to transfer hosting or domain to GoDaddy. So basically what you're gonna have to do is to simply log in into your GoDaddy account, and after you log in you're gonna have to simply go to GoDaddy transfers page and search for your domain. Now you're gonna have to make sure your domain is unlocked. So basically they're gonna show a green status bar if they can verify your domain is unlocked. Now after you unlock the domain, you're gonna have to simply enter the authorization code for your domain. You can get the authorization code from your current domain register and then select continue after the unlock and authorization code section. Both show green status bar, and then simply choose if you want the domain protection from GoDaddy, or if you want you can simply select no thanks and complete the checkout process to officially start your domain transfer. Now as you can see, most domain transfers takes 5 to 7 days to complete. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.